Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we're going to learn every sports name in just 2 minutes. Are you ready to learn every sports name in just 2 minutes? Let's get started. First up we have popular sports like basketball, soccer and football. Moving on to individual sports, we have tennis, golf and boxing. Don't forget about extreme sports like surfing, skateboarding and snowboarding. Now let's dive into some lesser known sports like curling, lacrosse and bobsledding. Next we have traditional sports from around the world such as cricket, rugby and sumo wrestling. And finally, let's not overlook unique sports like underwater hockey, kabaddi and sepak takraw. By the end of this video, you will be able to impress your friends with your knowledge of sports, name from A to Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos or content.